Hello, this is Dr. Lee Hildebrand, and today in my podcast, I am going to address something that is somewhat of a life hack. Today in our culture, many people are looking for life hacks in regard to their experiences. In other words, things that can help them most effectively overcome kind of normal and customary drags on their success, on their ability to thrive, on their ability to be healthy. Well, today I'm bringing a life hack that is simple. It's been around for probably centuries, and simultaneously, it continues to have incredible power in helping us in our lives. And that life hack is gratitude. In fact, I entitled this Gratitude, Your Secret Weapon. Now, if you think about life, many of us go through an array of challenges. And sometimes these situations can lead to setbacks or discouragement, and in some cases, outright depression. And culture has sought to help us with some of these challenges, especially depression, through a variety of means. And this includes counseling and, in some cases, medications. However, recently, in the field of psychology, research has begun to challenge a long-held belief that depression relates to an imbalance of serotonin in the brain. And this, in turn, calls into question the effectiveness of SSRI medications. In other words, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. This research has pointed to the most significant culprit in depression as stressful life events, and not necessarily that previously thought chemical imbalance. Now, the debate in terms of depression and its causes and the most effective treatments is going to continue amongst academics. In the meantime, for our purposes today, there is a secret weapon that I referred to that can help in any situation. That is gratitude. In an age in which people are seeking to gain leverage in regard to feeling good, thriving, adding value to others, gratitude can create positive results along these lines in a very natural way. In fact, peer-reviewed research on this very concept has demonstrated that written gratitude lists have been found to be very beneficial to people's mental health and well-being. I mean, it kind of stands to reason, right? And it also provides a feelings of a more satisfied life and a boost in self-esteem. And that makes sense too, because if you're looking for the glass to be half full and you're looking for those positives, you're going to in turn start to feel more positive. So let's move on to this question. What is gratitude? Gratitude is defined as the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for and to return kindness. Gratitude is being thankful for what you have. It's seeing the glass half full, as I previously said, not half empty. It's seeking in all situations to take stock of the good in ourselves, the good in our situations, and also in other people. You know, it's been said that the worst things in life that happen to us are not specifically what happens to us, but what we think about what happens to us. You know, our narrative or our interpretation of events correlates directly with our mood and our sense of well-being. Gratitude is giving us strong leverage on this fulcrum of our sense of well-being to help move our attitudes in positive direction. Gratitude sees and appreciates the opportunities in a given day. And even if these are undetectable to the skeptic who's looking for the glass to be half empty. So whether based on faith in God, for example, to be present in all your circumstances, or some other strong foundation, people who exercise gratitude on a consistent basis experience peace and hope. Now you might ask, how can I practice a mindset of gratitude? Well, I would say, like anything in life, including exercise, gratitude takes practice. It involves a commitment to seeing things through this lens even when challenging circumstances seem daunting. In some of my health psychology work, I've seen patients with the exact same diagnosis, patient A over here, patient B over here, who take a completely different approach in their attitude. Some despair and complain unceasingly, like maybe person B over here. Others, like person A, may apply gratitude throughout the process of their healing or trying to manage their illness. They literally encourage people around them and amaze friends and family with how grateful that they are, even given a difficult situation. And interestingly, and I think there are some bodies of research that have demonstrated this, person A is going to have better outcomes than person B. So we can practice choosing the route of gratitude, and it can become a habit of mind. Let me suggest to you today 5 disciplines that relate directly to this practice of gratitude, which could enhance this type of thinking in your life. Number 1, make a daily gratitude list. Yes, make a literal list in the morning or in the evening before you go to bed of all the things that you are grateful for during the day. This simple exercise can begin to aim your perspective in the right directions in regard to fostering a gratitude narrative. Number 2, turn the table on a difficult situation. Take specific situations that seem to be going your way, that don't seem to be going your way, even small ones, and practice feeling gratitude. When you're in the grocery line and somebody is in front of you with 15 coupons and they're trying to write a check, take a moment and reflect. Find an angle of gratitude. Maybe you get a few minutes to just think during the day or observe other people in the line to rest your mind a little bit. Practice this in other situations too. It might be traffic. It might be a delay in a situation. In fact, I had a situation today where I was going to have a meeting that was very important, and unfortunately the other person got their wires crossed, and we're going to need to do it next week. I just pivoted. I'm grateful that we still get to have this meeting and that we're still able to accomplish what we're seeking to accomplish, and then I'm able to fill that time differently today. Number 3, thank other people. Express your appreciation to other people for who they are and the things they do to enhance your life. Expressing this gratitude to others in an instantaneous way and a genuine way is a shot in the arm for you and that other person. You and others around you will appreciate this. In fact, some believe that praising others somehow diminishes them. That if I give somebody else a compliment, then somehow I'm not going to look as good, or I'm going to look a little too soft. And I submit to you that that is a misnomer. It is empowering to be able to look at other people and see their strengths and see their challenges, and to give them encouragement and to express our appreciation for who they are in our lives. Number 4, forgive other people. When other people disappoint you or disrespect you, turn the tables on this situation. Squelch the resentment. Resentment is like a poison in your mind. Yes, of course, we need to stand up for ourselves appropriately. Yes, we need to set boundaries. Yes, we don't need to just roll over in every situation. I'm not suggesting that. But what I am suggesting from an attitude of gratitude is to forgive other people when they make these mistakes, even if they're not repentant, and to let that go. This is going to release that negative energy from us so that we can proceed forward and focus on what we need to. In fact, in some of these situations, I will just pray for the other person. Literally, somebody that's wronged me in a significant way, I'll just pray that God will give them what they need. pray positive things in their direction. And guess what happens? Then I'm freed. I'm freed from that resentment, free from having to hold on to it. When we take the high road in a situation, we don't have to experience the dirt and the muck of the low road. Number 5, pour positivity into your mind. Seek to discipline yourself to take in positive messages during your day through social interactions, the way that you use media, the people that you spend time with that are not required by work, but people that you choose to spend time with. Talk with positive people. Listen to YouTube videos or podcasts or sermons or other things that contribute to a positive attitude in your mind. What you put into your mind is what will come out of your mouth. That is the kind of person that you will be. What you put into your head and your mind and put through your eyes is what will come out in your heart, in your approach to other people. Now, when we think about media itself in this context, many media formats seek to provoke fear and anger to keep our attention. So we need to be wary of this, and we need to choose wisely in terms of how we invest our time. Many of these programs, these sites, etc., are just continuing to try to get us to click or scroll. Click or scroll. If I can get you angry, you're going to scroll and click for more. If I can get you afraid of something, if I can enhance your fear, you're going to continue to scroll because you may believe that if you get more information, you'll have more control over the thing that's feared. Now, if you have knowledge of that and you can make adjustments, you don't have to be titillated by things that seek to invoke fear and anger in you. So choose wisely what messages go into your mind so that you can manifest positivity, that you can manifest energy, that you can manifest encouragement for yourself and those around you. In short, gratitude is a choice. It's a habit of mind that you can improve on. Recognize the freedom to choose this approach to positively influence your life, your thinking, and your attitudes. This can be a secret weapon in maintaining a good outlook and warding off negativity and depression in your life. I really hope that you found these things helpful to you today. Please feel free to like this video if you found it helpful. Please feel free to share it with others that you think it could add value to. And please subscribe to my channel as I'll continue to bring videos to you that are enhancing in regard to your life and your wellness. Thanks so much.